Let's solve the other set of questions from 176 until 180. So here the question says that a decrease in level of estrogen and progesterone causes A. Growth and dilation of the myometrium, growth of endometrium, constriction of uterine blood vessels leading to slowing of endometrium or uterine epithelium, release of ovum and ovary. Okay. So the hormone given is estrogen and progesterone. Okay. So if we see the lining of uterus, okay, uterus consists of three layers. You know that, right? The first one is perimetrium. Then the next layer is myometrium. And then you have the endometrium. Okay, endometrium also had two layers. Okay, one is the basal layer. We call them basalis. It's a basal layer. And functional layer. Functional layer. Okay. Now these layers are supplied with blood. Okay. So that they can grow. And the artery which supply them the blood is known as spiral artery. Okay. The spiral artery provide the blood supply. Right. And because of this, when we say blood supply, so the oxygen, the nutrient are supplied to the endometrium for the growth. Okay. When there is a depletion in estrogen progesterone, right, the vessels which is supplying the oxygen and nutrient through the blood, okay, they get constricted. So as they are getting constricted, the endometrium cells are not getting the required oxygen as a nutrient, so they slough out. Okay, so here the right option will be constriction of uterine blood vessels leading to slowing of endometrium or uterine epithelium. Right? So answer is C. The next question. Structure connecting the fetus to placenta is, it's a direct question. It is known as umbilical cord. So here your answer will be answer A. The next question. Typical fat molecule is made up of, okay, typical fat molecule is known as triglyceride. Okay, it is known as triglyceride. Now this question is from biomolecule. Okay, it contains one glycerol attaching with fatty acid 1, since a triglyceride, right? Fatty acid 2 and fatty acid 3. It can be a homo triglyceride or heterotriglyceride, okay, based on similar type of fatty acid or dissimilar type of fatty acid. So anyway, there's one glycerol molecule attaching with three fatty acids. Okay, considering that in mind, okay, let's see. Okay, three glycerol molecules. So there's no three glycerol molecule. Okay, one glycerol molecule, three fatty acid molecule is true. Okay, one glycerol and one fatty acid, one fatty acid, no. It is monoglyceride, one fatty acid. Three glycerol and three fatty acid, no. Okay, so here answer is B. Then the next question, 179. Which of the following statement is Incorrect. Diffusion membrane is made up of 3 major layers. It is true. Diffusion membrane contain 3 major layers. If you remember, those layers are, first one is the epithelium or squamous epithelium of the alveolar. Squamous epithelium, layer 1. Layer 2 is basal layer. And layer 3 is endothelial or endothelium. So 3 layer, right? This is blood vessel. This is alveolar. Okay. And the layer which is joining them is a basal layer. So there's 3 major layers. So it's true. Solubility of carbon dioxide higher than the oxygen by 25 times. This is also true, right? Then breathing volumes are estimated by spirometer. Okay. So here you measure how much quantity of or how much volume of air is inhaled and exhaled. So determine the function of the lungs. So this is also true. Okay. High concentration of hydrogen ion, right? That means acidic condition. Favors oxyhemoglobin formation. It's not favoring oxyhemoglobin formation. I already showed you, right? Cadet. CADET, right? CADET. Okay. Here A for acidic. So if there's an increase in acid, okay, there will be dissociation between the oxygen and the hemoglobin. It will not cause the formation. Okay. So this is a wrong statement. And you need to find the incorrect statement. So here your option will be answer D. Read the following 4 statements and mark the correct option. Which has the both statement correct. Okay, so legalized MTP was legalized 1971. It is true. Inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. This is also true. Surgical method of contraception prevents gamete formation. No, they only stop gametes to meet. Okay, not prevent formation. That means they don't have any negative impact on spermatogenesis or oogenesis. MTP are legalized safe up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. This is also true. We need to find para statement which are both are correct. Okay, so here 1 and 2 are correct. Yes, 1 is also correct, 2 is also correct. 2 and 3 is not correct. Okay, 3 is not correct and 3 is not correct. Okay, so your option will be option A. Answer A. This much for this set of questions. We'll meet again in next question, next set of questions.